This is Whirlpool built-in dishwasher. It's from the PowerClean series. It's like Vio 3T133 or P65X or similar. It's a lot of PowerClean series of machine, but they are the same almost. And we will show you how to fill it with dishes. Yeah, we put the big dishes and pot and pan down and cups here, like this. Okay, then we put them back. Then we need a cleaning solution tabled. We will take capsule and put it here, like this. Close it. Then we would like to choose the program to clean. First one is Eco. 50 degrees, it's like 3-4 hours in energy saving mode. Second is intensive, 65 degrees for heavily soiled pots, pans. Third is daily 50 program, is like normally daily wash. 4 is express, light soiled, quick cycled. 5 is for glass, delicate glass water, if you need to wash your glass, something like this. 6 is 1 hour wash, quick full wash, 6 program, and 7 is pre-wash rinse if you have very dirty dishes. Okay, let's start it. Turn it on. Then we will choose program like 1, 2, 3. I think 1 will be the best. And start it. Yeah. Then we will close it. And the cycle is on. Open the door. Ta-da! Let's check, is it clean or not. Perfectly clean. Look at it. Yeah, it's clean.
Very clean.
Very clean. Ideal. It's clean too. It's clean too. And let's see what we have from above. Bowl is clean and the is clean too. Everything is awesome. I like it. It's small, but for family from 3 person is okay. It's clean too. Cool.